Hi, hello. So in this video, we gonna discuss on the self introduction. How to you given the introduction to someone else. Like the basically if you the conversation someone new, like the strangers, how to you given the introduction like yeah, I'm Jonathan. I'm coming from your cities or your state. So that is a mention after that, like what you do. Like if you are a student, like I am student, I'm studying that university. Like eh, which university are you studying? Are you school? So given that, so how to say the for example, so I am studying the school of something. So yeah, I will give some of examples. So I am I am Janathanan. So I am came from USA. Like I'm student. I'm currently purchasing the engineering. So it is the biggest university in the world. So yeah, this is like that way. After the you given the introduction, so end up that like yeah, nice to meet you. So if you given the closure to someone else, yeah, you can easily the maintaining the how which way you we the communicate with it as with someone help. Like I'm also the beginner. I'm also taking that video the put on the my channel also. Year after, I think I put on the consistently put on the video because of if you the make mistake or you made mistake, if you the learning that mistake. So in my opinion, so year after I will try to put on the YouTube videos like that way, the daily conversation or something, while what I'm thinking I post on that video. So please support me also. If you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any idea with the English content, yeah, we are together learning this language also. So if you have any something, any idea or the conversation with you or me like one on one or something different, so please let me know in the comment section. I will create that some of the link we gonna discuss on something put on the video also because of we are the only the grammatical and something different we are learning, that is not worth in my opinion. Because of if you the learning only the reading books or something, that I would say yeah, that is a good thing, but listening also, reading, yeah, that is also makes a effort, but the the practice that makes important. Like there's so many people, like for example you are studying or the some of the student there are the graduates, still they can't speak the English because of so many people that studied the school want to the college above the 16 the 15 years the or 14 years, but they can't speak the English the fluency. So in my opinion, if you the practicing the everyday, you can easily speak. So we are together the learning. So year after I make videos, so please support me in the comment section. I will helpful because of we are together the learning in this platform. Like yeah, in my opinion. So yeah, if any made a mistake, please comment me. I also the mistake correct them after I record that video year after. So hope all are you gooding. Okay, thank you for this video that patiently watched it fully. So yeah, please support me, and any mistake please let me in the comment section. I will do hereafter. Okay, bye.